Good morning! Today is Jaylena's last day here, so I figured, let's put the woman to work. Let's see what she can do. I think she'll do alright. Let's go work. Yeah, I'm only gonna get one. Tear it down. Countertops are probably here. So I wired up this one, and I got all my wires down through here cleaned up. Now insulation and siding. See, so now I stick it on top, because if I would have had one on top and then I try to get it in between here, between the top board and this board, it wouldn't.
Okay, that's what I was thinking.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, because I said why? Because it's the top of the door.
So for all y'all at home yelling, Jason, are you not gonna put insulation in? We are. We just thought it'd be a lot more fun to do it the hard way. So now we're gonna put insulation in. It's like a woman if it don't work. What? Give it time. Oh no. Give it time to let it work itself out. Alright guys, so you can see we finished the wall, and I know some of you are thinking, what a half-assed job down there in the bottom. This is a kitchen. It really truly doesn't matter. It's going to have kitchen cabinets all the way across. That's just to have a back to it. So we basically used all the scrap that we had. We literally used almost all of it.
Yeah.
So that was a really good use of that. I thought we were just going to have to get rid of it. Earlier I told Jaylena, I said, hey, let's just put it somewhere and we'll try to find a place to use it. It worked out great. All the other boards are fine. So now we have walls all the way around. I'm sure this is making y'all dizzy, but got it all the way around, and I am super excited about that. It is dirty still, as you can tell in here, but we got it all the way around. Next we'll be working on the pitch part of it and then the roof. But for now, got walls up. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright guys, so as a lot of you guys know, Jaylena left. She hit the road. She took Bandit. So I'm here, change clothes, new day. I got this tree right here that I'm going to try to turn into a sawmill log if I can. So there's a huge chunk right here all the way to here. It's big. It's really big. I don't even think the sawmill can handle that size. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to first try to cut the ends off over there, get rid of that, and then I'm going to try to make a sawmill log out of this. See if the four-wheeler can pull it. I don't know. It's pretty big. So we'll try it out and we'll see what happens. If we can get this moving, that'd be great. So I can get this to the Sawyer's house and get this on the sawmill. But I don't know. It's a pretty big task, so let's see. now that I got my chainsaw out, the sawmill can only do 10 feet. Which is roughly here, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut it back over here. So I got a little wiggle room. That cut way too easy, so I'm gonna assume it's rotted out in the middle, unfortunately. So you can see I got it, all right, but it is rotted out a little bit here on the inside. Hopefully nothing will come out at me, but it's actually a little worse than I thought. But you could probably get some usable stuff, and again, that's just at the bottom, so I don't really know down here. I'd really have to cut into it to see, but it looks solid down here. So I think what we might have to do is, might have to cut a little bit of this off if it won't fit in the sawmill, and then work your way from 10 feet this way, go that way, and hopefully get a lot of solid out of it. So Jacob, if you're watching this, hey, I need your help moving this stuff. I don't think the little four-wheeler is gonna do it. All right, as you can see, I clearly finished all the way up. I am not worried about it being super clean. on the sides because when I do the ceiling, it'll close all that off. You won't even see it. So it's pretty tall, pretty awesome. I'm glad that this wall is completely done. Whew. One more thing, just checked off the list. Alright guys, so I'm done. Got all this figured out. But as you guys can see, I'm wearing a Fuller Life TX shirt. So awesome channel. And then I also got this Daryl Strokes, the Woodhaven drink holder thing. Tumbler, I guess what you call it. I don't know what you call this sucker. But it keeps my drinks nice and cold. So I wanted to give both of those channels a shout out. They're very nice people. I met them for the first time at the meetup, and hopefully get to see them again at the next meetup. But if you haven't checked them out, it's the Woodhaven. It's Daryl Stokes, and then also Fuller Life TX from Texas, of course. So I gotta rep them. So appreciate you guys supporting me, and I definitely want to help support you guys. So hopefully you liked what I did with the wall. Hopefully the next video or so, I will start building cabinets and trimming out the windows and stuff. Probably trim out the windows and doors and everything first. And then, of course, I got to do the ceiling. But I need to get my wood-burning stove. So I'm going to go get my wood-burning stove. Try to figure that out, where the piping will be, all that stuff. I am terrified to cut a hole in my roof. Extremely terrified. But I think it'll be fine. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So I appreciate you guys watching this video. I know it was just mainly building and then cutting a tree, but hey, it was a lot of work. And so I appreciate Jaylena helping me out. She's done a lot for me, and I really appreciate it. But I'm super excited to watch her on her trip to Florida. So guys, if you haven't, please go subscribe to her channel as well. She's going to do a whole trip. She stopped at her mom's house in Nashville, but then she's going to go through Florida and all that. So go keep up with her if you haven't. A link will be down in the description. But I'm going to go enjoy my Sprite, hang out with my animals, and take the rest of the day off, edit this video, get it out to you guys, all that. So see you on the next one.